Hey guys, welcome to question MM212 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we've got this function f of x equals 2x over cos x, and we need to find f dash of pi on 3. So, as always guys, first things first is to actually find f dash of x so that we can find f dash of pi on 3. So, f dash of x being our gradient function or our derivative function, we're going to need to differentiate this function here. This fraction being a function over a function immediately tells us that we're going to need to use our quotient rule. Now this is a 2-mark question, so what we're going to need to do is find f dash of x and then sub in pi on 3 into that. Firstly, I'm going to let y equal u over v for our quotient rule, where u equals 2x and v equals cos of x, right? Awesome. So from here, what we're actually going to do is find du dx and dv dx, because we're going to need those for our quotient rule later. Now du dx is the derivative of 2x, which is just 2. And dv dx is the derivative of cos x, which is negative sine x. Awesome. Sweet. So our quotient rule tells us that dy dx is equal to v times du dx minus u times dv dx over v squared. Sweet. And this is the reason that we found these earlier, because now we can just plug in our values. So therefore, f dash of x equals v, which is cos x. So cos x times du dx, which is 2 times 2, minus u, which is 2x, times dv dx, which is negative sine x. So then we get 2 cos x, negative 2x times negative sine x is positive, so plus 2x sine x, oops, I forgot my v squared, so over v squared where v is cos x, so cos squared x over cos squared x. Sweet. And that's our first mark here guys, because we've just found f dash of x. Now, the question's asking us for f dash of pi on 3. So what we're going to do is sub in pi on 3 for all of our values of x down here. And I'm probably going to end up coming back up the top, but let's just start down here. So f dash of pi on 3 is equal to 2 cos of pi on 3 plus 2 times pi on 3 times sine of pi on 3 over cos squared of pi on 3. Sweet. And yep, I'm just going to come back up here. Sweet. Cool. So we're just going to keep evaluating this. So we get 2 times cos of pi on 3 is 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 plus 2 times pi on 3, which is 2 pi on 3. And sine of pi on 3 is root 3 on 2. Over cos squared of pi on 3. Cos of pi on 3 is 1/2, so we get 1/2 squared here. Awesome. 2 times 1/2 is 1, plus 2 pi times root 3 is 2 pi root 3, and then 3 times 2 is 6, so we're actually just going to cancel this 2 and this 2 here, and we're going to end up with pi root 3 over 3 over 1/2 squared, which is 1/4. Sweet. So from here, what we're going to end up with is, because this is a fraction, we're going to take that 4 and multiply it by the top. So we're actually going to get 4 times 1 plus pi root 3 on 3. Now, hopefully you guys can see that. Top's a bit cut off. Just rewrite that. So 4 times 1 plus pi root 3 over 3. And that's our final answer. So that's our second mark. You can expand it out, but there's no real reason to. You can just leave it like this. That's our final answer. So therefore, f dash of pi on 3 equals 4 times 1 plus pi root 3 over 3. Guys, hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below. But otherwise, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.